I'm going to show you how to make a table from a data range inside of Microsoft Excel. First, you have to select all the items you want in your data range. There are two ways to make a table. Under the Home ribbon, you can click on Format as Table and choose a style. You can press Ctrl-T on the keyboard. And that's how you make a table. With a table, you have different functions such as sorting. You can filter. You can even add formulas that reference the table itself. So I hope that gets you started with tables. I hope that helps, and if it does, please hit that like button.